Are you a foreign individual looking to establish a company in Vietnam? This video is designed to help you understand the full process and prepare the right documents to successfully register a single-member limited liability company, also known as an LLC. To begin, you'll need to determine three key things: your business line, your company address, and your charter capital. Some business lines require additional conditions or licenses, so it's important to choose carefully and seek legal advice if needed. For your company address, you can use a physical office or a virtual office if you're registering in Ho Chi Minh City. If you choose LTS LAW's virtual office service, we'll provide all the necessary documents to meet local licensing requirements. The company registration process consists of three main steps. Step 1 is to obtain the Investment Registration Certificate, or IRC, which certifies that you, as the investor, are permitted to invest and establish a company in Vietnam. This process typically takes from 2 to 3 weeks. Once the IRC is issued, the next step is to apply for the Enterprise Registration Certificate, or ERC. This functions similarly to a certificate of incorporation in many jurisdictions and usually takes 1 week to obtain. After receiving the ERC, you will need to complete several post-licensing tasks, including making the company seal, completing initial tax registration, and opening a business bank account. The required documents for registering a single-member LLC with an individual owner include a notarized copy of your passport, obtained at a notary office in Vietnam, a notarized copy of the legal representative's passport, if they are foreigners, or Vietnamese ID card, if they are Vietnamese, obtained at a notary office in Vietnam, financial proof such as your bank account statement or a confirmation letter of your account balance, showing an amount equal to or greater than the proposed investment capital, accompanied by a Vietnamese translation, a lease contract or other proof of the company office address, legal documents related to the premises and landlord, such as the land use rights certificate and ID documents. To kickstart the process, LTS Law will send you an Excel sheet listing all the necessary details you need to provide. Based on this information, our legal team will complete all the application forms and documents for submission. Once the drafts are ready, you'll print and sign them. Then send us the signed hard copies along with your supporting documents. From there, LTS Law will take care of submitting your application and following up with the licensing authorities. At LTS Law, we handle the entire process on your behalf, from preparing documents to liaising with the authorities. Our team of experienced corporate lawyers ensures your company is set up correctly, smoothly, and in full compliance with Vietnamese law. Have questions or need help getting started? Visit www.lts.com.vn or contact us directly to receive your information sheet and begin the registration process today.